Apart from making garden tools under the brand Snow Joe, you can also find a wide range of snow power tools from Snow Joe. It makes all kinds of tools, including a wide range of single-stage snow thrower options out there. The Snow Joe SJ625E electric single-stage snow blower is present in the first position in this article as it is the cheapest option present in this article. Even then, you get decent performance from it due to its powerful 15-amp electric motor. This electric motor is also quite efficient and reliable that comes with a 2-year-long warranty. It is responsible for powering a large 21-inch wide auger or cutting blade in this snow blower that offers great performance to the user. Since it has a cutting depth of 12 inches, you get a high snow moving capacity of 800 pounds per minute that makes this single-stage snow blower quite fast. Even if you want to use this snow blower in deep snow, you can easily do so as it comes with large 8-inch wheels with a thickness of 2.5 inches. You can also use this snow blower during the night as you get 3W LED lights at the front that are quite bright for blowing snow. Best features of this item: 15-amp electric motor, 21-inch blade width, 12-inch cutting depth, 800 pounds per minute snow moving capacity, 2-year warranty, 4-blade steel auger, 3W LED lights at the front, 8-inch wheel diameter with a thickness of 2.5 inch. Maintenance-free, reliable and efficient motor. Components: single-stage snow blower, user manual, warranty card. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.